Here are the vital facts you need to know to avoid arthritis and joint degeneration. In research on osteoarthritis and the role of immobilization headed by medical Dr. Tapio Vitamin and published in the research journal Clinical Biomechanics, shows why it's so important for you to maintain at least weekly or at the very most every 2-week adjustments. In the research, what they did is they blocked a joint from moving and then studied the effects it had through X-ray and MRI. What they found was that any hypomobility, which is a big word meaning just the less than normal motion of the joint, or an immobilization of the joint, could lead to irreversible degenerative changes in the joint within 2 to 3 weeks. Here's a process that they found, again, studying X-ray and MRI, is that once the joint had been subluxated, that measurable changes in the cartilage showed up within 24 hours. Decrease in the cartilage volume was present within 48 hours, and degenerative changes in 72 hours can be seen on MRI. There's a marked decrease in proteoglycan content, which is basically it's the most vital component of your joint cartilage. This was seen within 96 hours. And here's where the decay shows up, flattening of the cartilage surfaces. So now the joint itself starts to get affected. Adhesion formation was basically scarring and ulceration in 45. And then those ulcers penetrate the bone. This is where the bony parts of the joint will start to generate, and that's within 90 days. So I share this with you to impress upon you why your adjustment schedule is so important. I understand our individual schedules can sometimes be tough, but if you absolutely have to reschedule an adjustment for the benefit of your own health, you want to make sure that you get caught up within the same week or at the very least the following week. If you don't, then you risk degeneration restarting in your joints that will ultimately interfere with your nervous system and your healing potential. If you're going to be traveling or going away, you need to plan ahead to get adjustments before you go. Doing at least some of your critical home care while you're away to maintain the motion the best you can while you're away, if it's that you're away for longer than a week, and then getting extra adjustments when you return to regain the momentum again and your healing potential. So this is the proper formula to ensure your best possible outcomes in health. This understanding of how decay happens empowers us to act in a way to achieve our best results.